Hello dear engineers, my name is Imtiaz Ali. Welcome to my channel Engineering Information. If you are a civil engineer, architect, town planner or planning engineer, then this video is for you. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future upcoming videos. In this video, we will be learning about how to become a member of American Society of Civil Engineers for free. So let's go to computer screen, and in this video we will be telling you how to register by yourself step by step as we are showing you on the computer screen. So follow the steps. Hopefully you will become a member of Society of Civil Engineers, because I'm also the member of this society since 2017, so you can become the member also. Dear friends, open any of the browser and type over there American Society of Civil Engineers and press the search button. You will see a new window will be open over there, like ASCE home, join ASCE, membership. These all things will come in front of you. You just need to click ASCE home. American Society of Civil Engineers home page is opened. Over there you see memberships and communities. Click over there. You can see here a new window of membership and communities has been opened, and you will see below there is a become a member. In become a member section you find there join ASCE, member benefits, and students join for free. Here students can also join, and those students who have passed out but the degree has not been awarded, they can also apply for this. Here the students means that student may be bachelor student, or that might be masters or PhD student. Any of the student who is enrolled or who is near to complete his degree can apply for the membership. When you will click on a student join for free, a new window will be opened where you can join ASCE. Membership is free for students. You click over there. If you are already a member, then you need to just only log in the account, or if you are new to this page, then you need to enter your email address. First register your email address and create the account, then your account will be created. Once your account is created, like username, password, then you need to sign in. Once you will fill all the data, like all the demographic is filled, everything is done, then in last there will be the options for the subscriptions, which is also there. A price will be written, but it will be free of cost for the students and for the fresh graduates. Let's suppose you can also subscribe for civil engineering magazine, a structural magazine. Any of the civil engineering structural magazine will be sent to you for free of cost for your reference purpose, to study, to grow more in your field. Once all these things are done, you will receive an email of confirmation from the American Society of Civil Engineers that you have registered, and a registered number will be assigned to you. But after 10 to 15 days you will receive a membership card as it is shown on this screen. As I have become a member of American Society of Civil Engineers in 2017, so that's why it was showing that I was already logged in. So you will get the same card like this way. So these things can help you to boom, to grow in your field, to get the jobs, to get these things are very beneficial.